Hey YouTube, it's Farmall 51 here. Alright, we've got a real nice tractor here we're going to do a little quick walk around on. This was at the fair tent. This tractor's had a restoration, I would say 3 years ago, I think, but probably one of the nicest M's I've seen in quite a while. And I'm pointing out here that it's got the correct spacing around the M, a little arch there on the hood. Right here as well, you can see that this is the vinyl cut decal, most likely from Maple Hunter, correctly spaced and all. As you can see here, just all around excellent restoration, very clean tractor. And this here is a late production 1952 Farmall M. International quit making the Farmall M in '52. Alongside they were started making the Super M there in '51, late '50, early '51, I guess. Alongside the regular M, and as you can see here, it still has the band brakes on it. I had a 50, I think it was a 50 M that had the disc brakes, so I'm guessing it was in the transition, but maybe this one here's just got what was left over. You can see here it's got the 2-bolt starter on it. That makes sure that those are on the M's, Super M's, and up had 3-bolt starters. And we're walking around here. Nice new tires. Got the 38-inch tires on the back, like all M's are supposed to have. And we're going to come around the back here. At the instrument panel, here's the steering wheel. Like I say, all of it, I mean, just as clean as a pin. As you can see here, this tractor's got the foot starter, which is a pretty common add-on. Otherwise, it would have the button up there closer to the steering wheel for you to push by hand. Which, if any of you done that before, you know how hard it is on the palm of your hand. But it's got a nice unbent PTO guard. You don't usually that come off and thrown to the side. It's got the international hydraulic remotes here. Just an all-around clean tractor. It's got the clamp style, like the M's had, clamp style rims on them. Now, I don't know if this belt pulley is original to the tractor or if it's an add-on. It looks fairly original, so it may be very good condition. Usually they've got chunks missing out of them, or they're gone altogether. Usually something like that didn't stay on there very long, but it's a nice add-on. I like the little toolbox as well. Now I'm pointing to the seat up here. This has got the silver seat on them. Their very early M's had the black seats. I know the C's and A's did. I'm not sure. I'm guessing they would have done the same thing with the M's, but this has a very nice, correct style fabric seat on it. And if you follow the lines here, it leads to a live hydraulic pump. That was a nice added feature on the M here. I'm assuming the Super M's, later Super M's had that. That was a later add-on, I'm assuming. There's the belly pump. Like I say, you've really got to look to find a flaw, and I couldn't. Everything on this tractor is just an all-around great restoration. Got the tower style hose clamps on it, like the originals had. but this belongs to a member in the club and was restored by another member in our club. As you can see, it's got the M and W throttle, hand throttle on it. That's a big improvement over the teeth style throttle. As you can see in the grill, it's got, you know, just the screen in there is all nice, and like I said, the emblem's all done up nice. Just a very nice tractor, and if you've yeah, I'm sure you'll see it in a couple other videos probably down the line there. So, but anyway, thanks for watching.